It's promised to be a classic. Pakistan versus India. It can't get better than that. The final of the ICC Champions Trophy 2017. India winning the toss, electing to field first.
Bhuvaneshwar Kumar, who's had an outstanding series with the ball, bowled superbly with the new ball. And here we go, all of the final. That's a good delivery outside the off stump, taking it away from the right. Outside edge. There will be a check on the front.
Clearly over the line, and it's a no ball. Incredible. Oh, gets it off an inside edge. It's a boundary. It's a straight hit. And well timed by Azhar Ali. That's gone. 4 for Fakhar Zaman. He can do that. Very unorthodox in approach. 4. Edge from Azhar Ali. That's into the gap, wrong line from Bumrah. It's a fast outfield chase for the man in the deep. He loses the battle.
6. Taking on Ashwin. Good shot, good placement as well. Just the right line to play the sweep shot outside the off.
Well, directed here will be out. Just a couple of steps to his right, turns, squares up the shoulders to the target, and unfortunately for India, it's missed the stumps.
A good shot, firm push. That's going to get him 4. Good shot this. He's gone with the angle. That's a terrific shot by the left-hander. Vacant space in that area. 6-9 for no wicket.
In the air and could hurry away for 4. It does. Big shot. Don't think he'll cut that one off. Excellent shot. 100 up for Pakistan, 100 for none in the final. I reckon that'll be 50. Yeah, he's just tucked it on the leg side, and he has 50. Just a tickle on the leg side. Looking to open up that offside. Oh, gets through. It's a misfield. And that's 50 for Fakhar Zaman as well. He joins his partner.
Played it late. MS is not happy with that line. Jaidev gives up the chase. Oh, chance of a run out. Chance of a run out. Azhar Ali left stranded. India finding some luck finally.
Fakhar Zaman just watching the non-strikers in. Azhar Ali, there's always one there. Communication off, he's done brilliantly, Bumrah. 128 for 1, 23 overs.
That's a big shot, big 6. Fakhar Zaman has played a lovely shot down the ground. And finds the gap, pierces the field through the offside. Excellent batting. Down the track, and hit it ever so sweetly. Beats the field on the offside. This is brilliant stuff from the left hand. It's a straight hit and a big hit, a flat 6. Oh, more runs. I think that was pretty deliberate. Bumrah almost catching up with the ball, but not to be. Big over for Pakistan, 17 runs lead. Oh, over Dhoni's head for 4. He's not going to stop himself from playing field shot.
That's going to be 4. And that's going to be 100. His first one-day international 100, and what a stage to get that in.
What a stage indeed. What an amazing story. He smashes 100.
He's gone in that direction. First ball has disappeared for a 6. This has gone up. And again, it might just fall away now. Jadeja, the man, runs back. Makes a difficult catch look easy. And as we thought and feared and anticipated, Fakhar Zaman is gone after 100.
If there's one man at this ground you wanted underneath that ball, a wonderful 100 comes to an end. Zaman goes for 114. It's 200 for 2.
At least what attempted, and that's going to be 4. And that's the first boundary for Babar Azam. Good shot. Very good shot. stand and deliver.
Oh, big shot from Shoaib Malik. He's found it. Yeah, that's over. That's a maximum. Oh, slash away the width again. It's a long boundary out there, but he's got it well enough for 4. It's another boundary for Pakistan. Another short one. Nice little flick of the wrist. That's gone for 4 too. That was nothing more than just a little flick. Well bowled. It's in the air. And got him. That's the one India wanted. Well bowled, Bhuvaneshwar.
That's exactly what I was trying to say. Don't just hit it blindly, be sensible. And Shoaib Malik had decided to hit this delivery. Easy catch for Kedar Jadhav.
Oh, just keep going for it. That's a great shot down the ground. Got it. He got it. That was a bad ball from Jadeja there. Oh, has he got him? Yeah, he's got him this time. 1 bounce for 4. Oh, it's in the air. Now, is that in the gap? No, it's a mid-offs under it. And got it. Clean as a whistle. Calm as you like. Big U. Thanks very much. On your bike, Bubba. That's the one that India wanted. Pakistan stumble again.
Nice and straight. Whip square on the leg side. That's 4.
Big shot. Has he connected? That's gone. Oh, almost a very good attempt, but that's... It's a straight hit and a magnificent strike. That's gone all the way for 6. Oh, big one from Hafiz. 300 for Pakistan. Slow ball, hit hard, straight back. No chance for the fielder at long off. 50 for Hafiz. He didn't like the shot, but it's been a great innings. 50 from 34. Sarfraz loves it. Straight hit, 6! Imad Wasim makes room, hits it, but can't find the fence. Oh, they didn't take the second one, so India would be pretty happy with the way it ended. The last 3 or 4 overs, they were on target. Mickey Arthur would know that they'll still have to bowl extremely well to limit India to less than 338.
Terrific opening partnership from Azhar and Fakhar. Babar played well for his 46. Hafiz 57 not out from 37 deliveries. India need to score at 6.78 runs an over.
Experience of Dhawan, the class of Sharma, and King Kohli in a run chase should be mouth-watering. Will he swing this new ball? We haven't seen much of it. Nervy push at the first delivery. Oh, close, that's come back in. Given! That's an absolute...
Mohammad Amir strikes, comes into the right-hander, hits the pad.
A duck for Rohit Sharma in the final. It's 0 for 1. Oh, that's a beauty. What a start to this innings from Mohammad Amir. Edged. Oh, dropped. Fourth stump again. That area in England, he's been vulnerable, nicked it. Everything was perfect apart from that. Regulation off the shoulder, catch it.
How important is that?
In the air, gone! Not that important, he's gone the next ball.
Terrific stuff from Mohammad Amir. And a good catch at point. Virat Kohli dismissed for 5. India trailing 6 for 2.
Bouncer pulled away. 1 bounce. They needed that boundary. They've got it. Slower ball driven on the up. The outfield's quick. Is it quick enough? Yes. Top edge. That'll go away for 4.
Whiff and punished. Cracking shot, gets it past the inner ring. Oh, taken, caught behind, crossing, working fantastically for Mohammad Amir. Sarfraz with the catch, Pakistan with a wicket. And India 3 down.
India reeling, 33 for 3.
Oh, he's so good against spin. This may just backfire for Pakistan, this move of introducing spin. Another shot down the ground, it's a 4. This clearly has misfired, this move. Oh, graceful. celestial in style. Yuvraj Singh. Pat first, then the bat. Gone for the appeal. Sarfraz feels that there's a strong case. Right, they've gone for a review.
Impact is in line. And it's going on to hit the wickets. So we're overturning a decision.
Full shot, catch it is the call. MS is out. Caught by Imad Wasim. The trap was set. The popping crease and not over it. Very good catch by Imad Wasim. Gone for 4. It's 54 for the loss of 5.
Oh, now it's a good shot. That'll be 1 bounce for the energy with the ball. What a shot that is. That'll be 4. Just the energy and everything they've brought.
He's going to get 4. Hardik Pandya is a bit of a fighter. Oh, this one's gone straight up. This is going to be another wicket. The captain's called for it and takes it with the big hands.
Well, the 18-year-old, he's just taken his 2nd wicket. It was a big leg break. He tried to smack it on the onside. And the skipper, Sarfraz, go away. I want this, you little ripper. This has been wonderful stuff from Pakistan. You can see the emotion.
Oh, interesting shot that from Hardik Pandya. Has he got enough? Yes, he has. In fact, more than enough. It's gone in the 2nd.
The leg spinner to continue. That's hit through the onside, and that's gone miles into the stands. He's a very powerful hitter, Hardik Pandya. This time again, will he clear the boundary? He does. Back-to-back sixes for Hardik Pandya. Hits it again. 3rd 6 of the over. 3 consecutive sixes. Brings up his 15 good time in just 32 deliveries. And it's the fastest 50 in a World ODI final. Tossed it again. This time through covers. Races away to the boundary. This time through mid-wicket. It'll go over mid-on. Another 6 for Hardik Pandya. His high score in one-day cricket. One more. This time a longer one. Probably the longest. Got rid of all 3 of them. Chance of a run out, both at the same end. And Hardik Pandya has to go.
Big mix-up, 76 from 43 balls. Pushed into the offside from Jadeja and just doesn't go. Plenty of time for the fieldsman. Took his time, bounced it into the bowler. India now 7.
Outside edge. They haven't missed much, Pakistan.
Into the attack. Short, wide, edged. Safely taken a slip by Babar. On his way, Jadeja.
Outside edge. Hassan strikes again.
Good length, seam up. Ashwin flashes outside the up stump. Feather through to Sarfraz. And isn't he happy that Pakistan...
That's gone up India. Sarfraz takes the catch. It's all over. Pakistan win. 158 India blown away in the final, and it's Pakistan who are through. Over the line. They were the better side on the day. Brilliant with the bat and exquisite with the ball. And Sarfraz, what a leader they found in it. Strong Indian batting lineup, just couldn't handle the pace and spin of Pakistan. On the day, they were the better side. It's a massive...